So we're getting all kinds of work done here this week. Check these guys out doing the front of the house. We have a crew out front, and back here, if it isn't too bright, getting the fence done, new fence, new gate, and the boys are over here. Guys are putting up the new fence here. New fence, small gate on this side, 10-foot gate on the other side. And that'll enclose the rest of the yard. And this here is being replaced. And the chimney. It's good. Oh, excuse me. Yeah.
If we run it straight through,
Yeah.
you're not going to have a 6-foot fence back there. We were just looking at it. That's taking about 5 inches off of your pickets and everything to be able to do that. So like right now we got it, running straight through, and that's avoiding that dip right there. But then right here, like I just said, I got a 4-inch mark on my picket, because that's, it'd be 4 inches above your 2x4. Once we get it up there, you were that far, so you would either have to get dug out that far or cut down that far, but you wouldn't have a 6-foot fence there anymore. It'd be 5 something.
Well, I want to.
This is up to you. We can do it like that.
I want to keep it at least 6 feet.
That's why, if we keep it with that incline, you won't. It's not gonna jolt up. You see what I'm saying? It's gonna gradually roll with your curve. It's not gonna. You're not gonna have a picket this high, and then a picket this high. It's not gonna look like that.
What if we went with higher pickets?
Well, we need shorter pickets.
Well,
right now up here we need shorter pickets. Everything else fits perfect. Your 6-foot pickets fit perfect all the way down through here.
All right.
But right here is where it's going to have to get cut off.
Let's take a look at it.